Okay, so here we see the internal anatomy of the fetal pig. Okay, like all higher animals, it has a true coelom, a true body cavity, which is divided into thoracic and abdominal cavities. The two are separated by the muscular wall called the diaphragm, and it's the contractions of the diaphragm that are involved in the breathing cycle. Okay, like when the diaphragm contracts, it moves downwards. That expands the thoracic cavity. That helps with inhalation. The diaphragm relaxes and moves it upwards, which is involved in exhalation. Okay, in the thoracic cavity, we could see the lungs. All right, these are the lobes of the lungs here. It's the right lung. Okay, I think there's 1, 2, 3, and I see 3 lobes here, and there's less lobes on the left side of the thoracic cavity. The left lung has here 1, 2, 3, so I guess it's probably 4 lobes on the right side and 3 on the left. Here you see the heart. It's the left side of the heart. Right here you see the coronary artery, coronary sulcus, and this is the right side of the heart. Okay, let's see what else we have here. All right, then we go into the abdominal cavity. Okay, you can see the liver. The liver is the largest internal organ of the body. Embedded in the liver here, this little sac is the gallbladder. So the liver produces bile and the gallbladder stores the bile. And bile is involved in the emulsification of fat. It breaks down the fat into small droplets so they could be more easily attacked by the lipases, the digestive enzymes. Okay, under the liver, here you have the stomach, which looks sort of like a deflated balloon. And on the side of to the left of the stomach, this sort of tongue-like organ, looks like a little tongue, is the spleen. The spleen is not part of the digestive system, it's part of the blood and immune system. It breaks down old red blood cells. Okay, and then under the stomach, all right, you should have it's not that clear. First part of the large intestine where the two meet. Okay, here this is called the cecum, C-E-C-U-M. Okay, this is where the beginning of the large intestine. Okay, and this is the other part of the colon or large intestine. And if you follow the colon, it descends here, right, and eventually it will lead into the rectum. So that would be the descending colon. Right here you can see the urinary bladder, right, and the urinary bladder on either side is it's in between the 2 umbilical arteries. Okay, if we look at the back wall of the abdomen, we should have the kidney on the back wall. Okay, so here's the right kidney. Remember, the orientation is reversed. It's from the fetal pig's point of view. So under all this fluid here is the right kidney, and the left kidney is over here. Okay, and you have to try to trace, alright, we would have to take some of this fluid out, but there should be a tube called the ureter going from the kidney to the urinary bladder. Okay,